Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here to the dealership is 694-1234, and we're centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road. And when you arrive, you're going to see that pretty flag, patriotic horse, and that green metal roof behind me. And they have just pulled out of detail this 2013 Ford E350 12-passenger van. It has a clean CARFAX, I believe just 2 owners. 117,000 miles. Looks to have about 85 or 90% tread on those radials. Cold air conditioning, smoke-free cabin. So if your church or small group or daycare business is looking for a people mover, in these days of hard to find passenger vans, we actually have 2 of them right now. So if you're looking for something in the upper teens or low 20s, check with Prestige in Ocala, 352-694-1234, featuring this 2013 Ford E350 van, 117,000 miles, clean 2-owner CARFAX, and we have some great finance sources, and we love trades. We'll see you at the store.